If you'd like to see how this LA Girl Pro Concealer works, keep watching. And I am not talking a dab and a dab. I am talking about my complete face covered with this LA Girl Corrector Concealer. And let us see if we can fix it together. What do you think? Do you think I can put this all over my face and fix it? If you want to see the result, keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. In today's video, I am going to use this LA Girl Pro Corrector Concealer all over my face. Take a good look. You see my face? Discoloration, black, black, black. So I'm going to use this all over my face. And we're going to correct the whole thing so you can see how I do it. So if you run in a jam and that happens to you, you will know how to fix it. So this is, I'm putting a lot. So it looks exactly how I want it to look. So you don't think I cheated. You know what I mean? I want to do it the right way. No cheating here. Do you think I have enough? Do you think I have enough? I turn down the light so you can see this better. It's all red. It is LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it is the red one, and it is a correcting concealer. I gotta work with this before it starts drying, so let us work. I have my CoverGirl semi-matte face primer on already. So I'm just going to use my fingers. This dries fast. So remember, if you put it on, you gotta work with it fast because it does dry fast. To me. Or maybe because the fan is on. It's one of the other. Red, we are all red. Today's word is light. Light is today's word. Let your light shine bright. Do not dim your light for another. Whatever is in darkness must come out in the light. Light is important for you and for your soul. The more light you have, the more clarity you will have. Having light is important in your life. We all need light. Light brings happiness. When you have light, you want to shine it because the rays of your light is going to reflect on other people. That is a good thing. This is the red face corrector. So I'm correcting my complete face. I don't have to put all of that, but because for demonstration purposes, I want to do it a lot so you can at least see it. But if you're correcting your face, you would use a little bit less. You know what I mean? I'm going to take a sponge and I'm going to just damp all over it. Because what that does, it removes excess. Okay, if you remove the excess before you put the powder on it, you won't have cakey makeup. You do the same with foundation. Excess is removed. Now I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour 365 Copper Pressed Powder Foundation and the Big Puff, and I'm going to get powder to powder my face. We are correcting this thing. You see what it looks like already? And see the rest of my face? I'm correcting it. I'm taking a brush to take out excess. This is what I'm looking like so far with the correction. I'm using my e.l.f. HD finishing powder with a puff. This is the powder. And I'm going all over it. This is what I'm looking like right now. I'm going to spray it with my Juvia's Place setting spray, and then I'll reveal the final look. Elegel Pro Concealer Corrector for the face. For demonstration purposes, I use a lot. If you're doing it, you don't have to use a lot, but I wanted to show you how you can correct your face if you went overboard. This is my face. In the comments, let me know what you think. And once this is done, when you put the rest of your makeup on, it gets even lighter and like disappear into the background. But for demonstration purposes, again, I went very heavy with this. Thank you very much for watching. Always remember to let your light shine. Your light is your guide. You have your own unique light within you. Do not dim it for anyone else. Please remember to hype this video, share it with someone else, and as always, you're welcome here on this channel, and I love you dearly. Go out and live life because it is very, very short. Take care. Bye. Elegel Red Corrector. It's a concealer and it's a corrector to correct blemishes, discoloration, or just to even out your full face of makeup. Leave me some comments on this.